how to make a little fidget toy for you to play with. The only thing you need is two-sided tape and scissors, or you could cut it with your hand. So we pretty much need just this much. Let's cut it out, stick it on a surface, any surface. I'm sticking on my table, but you don't have to stick it on your table. Okay, so now you have to peel off this layer, I think. Okay, so you're just being satisfied. So now you just I personally think this is really satisfying. You can also add some more. So make it like this. And like this. So let's see how this is gonna turn out. So I'm gonna peel it off and I'm gonna be back. So I peeled it off. Now I think it's going to look better. This is so satisfying to just put your hands on it. And yeah. I think you should definitely try it because it's so easy and it also does come out really easy. If you're doing it on paper, it's not going to, but it also doesn't last really long. I don't think it exists. I just made it up. So I really like it. I think you should try it. Bye.